Welcome to the ESO Reflex pipeline tutorial. First, we will see how to download and install the ESO Reflex and some workflows. You can use a Google search to point you to the ESO pipeline page. The Reflex-based pipelines are highlighted in blue in the table below. The next step is to check the Reflex software prerequisites. Scroll to the software prerequisites page and open it. Recent versions of Java and various Python packages are necessary. You may have to set up some system variables and paths. The instructions are operation system dependent. Once you have followed all the instructions, download the installation script. In a terminal, go to the Download subdirectory. Make the installer script executable and run it. You will be asked if you have the required minimum disk space. You will be asked to set up the input installation and demo data subdirectories. Accepting the defaults makes our lives easier. If you are starting the installation from scratch, you have to use your internet connection. Then you will be prompted to select which pipelines to install. You can enter multiple numbers for installation of multiple pipelines. Then you'll be prompted to select which demo datasets to download. Again, you can enter multiple numbers for multiple demo datasets, or you can just say A for all. The installer will ask you for a final confirmation before proceeding with actual download and installation. Then the big wait begins. 2 steps must be completed here. First, the download. The download time depends mainly on the speed of the internet connection. Be prepared for at least 10-12 minutes of waiting time per pipeline. Second, the actual installation, which takes approximately 10 more minutes per pipeline. The final screen, once the installation is completed, will look like this. Another option to install an ESO pipeline on the Linux is to use the ESO provided packages in RPM format. You must have root or sudo privileges. To reach the RPM installation packages, click on the RPM installation tab at the top of the VLT instrument pipelines page. If a Reflex workflow for a given pipeline is available, it will be installed as well. The first step is to configure the ESO repository with yum or DNF, depending on your Fedora version. I have already completed this step, so I will directly launch into installing Xshooter pipeline as an example.